cutting hay with his International hay vine. This is our Bermuda hay. It's a 460 Farmall rake. Let me go back over here to the rake. There, he's raking. He's John Deered out here today. And then we'll go back over here, and here is the here we have Larry coming at me with his John Deere propane 1957 tractor and his John Deere rake, and he makes a pretty bale row there. It's propane. John Deere rake. This is the John Deere 640 rake. Raking the Bermuda hay. You can see the rows are straight. Not a blade of grass is left. It's an excellent rake. Just riding on the John Deere tractor. Just pulling this rake. I'll swing around here. Pulling this rake. I'll swing around here. This is where we're going. Propane tractor. Running free. Those roads. Straight and narrow. This John Deere was a 1957 propane, and it's been worked on. Larry worked on it all winter, and it's running really well. Got a hand clutch. This is Larry. As you can see, you don't leave any hay back there. It's just great. It's working excellent. What's the title? This is the dolly wheel for the rake. This makes the rake evener, and it keeps the tines from hitting the ground. You can make it, you can level it. There's some handles back there that's right there, so you can turn and level the rake. Okay, this is the International 1066. It's a diesel turbo. It's a 1975. This is a tractor Larry's had since it's brand new. We moved it down here to Missouri when we moved down here 21 years ago. And I'm baling with a Heston 4550 inline square baler. This baler has worked excellent. We are baling Bermuda hay, and it comes directly out from straight behind the tractor. You straddle your row, and then here's where your pickup is. Power takeoff. The box you see right here is where the twine goes. The knotters for the bales are right up there on the top there. And the bales just come right out straight behind the tractor. Heston did an excellent job. This baler has saved us lots of time. We've never missed a bale. If we do, it's usually from the tie in the twine. There's a bale of hay coming out there right now. This is the left side. Heston 4550. In the field doing its job. It's a 2005 model. And it has the header. You crank it up when you're going through the rough places in the field. If you need to, you can crank it up. Right here's the crank. This little deal right here, you crank this up, it picks up the header so you don't bend your tines on your pickup there. It's a very safe tractor. The power takeoff, the PTO is covered. Pulls real easy. And I'll now film running the tractor and baling the hay. Okay, I'm now in the tractor. Getting ready to go down this windrow. Running the RPMs about 1800. And here we go. Now turn around and show you how the baler works.
This is the bale hand, the baler hand.